We're in April. I'm at my favourite beach, Blackpool Sands in Devon near Dartmouth, and I'm actually on holiday, but I cannot get away from Japanese knotweed. It follows me everywhere, even on my beach holidays. So here we are. We've got a really large stand of knotweed. We've actually got some giant knotweed here as well. This has been here for about 20 to 30 years. So I thought I'd do a quick ID video, show you how to identify this plant in your property or your site. Hopefully it's not as well established as this, because this will be hard work to get rid of. But there's always a solution. But yeah, this has been left to grow for a long time, so it's a big problem here. But right, let's switch the camera around. I'll show you how to identify it, and if you've got any questions, we're here to help. So this is the crown material. Underneath this will be the rhizome network, which stores the nutrients for the plant. And then in the spring, it puts up these new shoots. As you can see here, the leaves gradually unravel. They start like an arrow. They unravel into a heart shape. You've got all the new shoots coming off. Now at this site, there's a variety of sized plants, from small shoots and plants, like this, all the way through to much taller 1 to 2 meter plants. I'm walking on all the dead cane material here, crunching under my feet, so this gradually decomposes. But yeah, it's a large infestation here. So yeah, interesting one to see. But look at the size of the growth. You know, we're early April here. I think we're the 8th of April. So yeah, it's shooting up and not far off, ready for treatment. Right, now I've got to try and get back over this river, get back to my holiday. Which way did I tell? Hopefully you found that video useful on how to identify Japanese knotweed. Now we're here to assist, so if you've got any questions, feel free to reach out. You can go to our website, tpknotweed.com. We've got loads of useful information there. Or you can speak to a member of the team. Pick up the phone, 0800 389 1911. You can email us, inquiries@tpknotweed.com, and team are here to help.